Welcome to the Total channel that brings you an alluring motor vehicle experience. Join me as I dive into the surprising world of Toyota hybrid maintenance costs and see if I can uncover the truth about how much it really takes to keep these cars running. This video, we will uncover the shocking truth about Toyota hybrid maintenance costs and what you should really expect as a car owner. Many potential buyers are unaware of the hidden maintenance costs associated with hybrid vehicles, which can significantly impact their overall ownership experience. When you're shopping for a new car, it's easy to get caught up in the excitement of owning a hybrid with its promise of improved fuel efficiency and reduced environmental impact. But what about the long-term costs? That's what we are going to explore in this video. The reality is that hybrid vehicles require unique maintenance procedures that can drive up cost over time. From specialized fluids to advanced battery systems, there are many factors that can contribute to higher maintenance bills. And if you're not prepared, these unexpected costs can quickly add up. The biggest expenses associated with Toyota hybrids is battery replacement. While hybrid batteries are designed to last for hundreds of thousands of miles, they do eventually need to be replaced. And when they do, the cost can be steep. On average, replacing a Toyota hybrid battery can cost anywhere from $3,000 to $6,000 depending on the model and year of the vehicle. This is significantly more than the cost of replacing a traditional gasoline vehicle's battery, which can cost anywhere from $100 to $300. For example, hybrid vehicles require more frequent brake pad replacements due to the regenerative braking system. This can increase costs over time, especially in city driving scenarios where brakes are used more frequently. Additionally, hybrid vehicles require more advanced diagnostic equipment, which can drive up costs for repairs. However, hybrids also have fewer moving parts than traditional gasoline vehicles, which can reduce wear and tear over time. This means that hybrid owners may experience fewer mechanical repairs, which can offset some of the higher maintenance costs. In some cases, hybrid owners may even experience lower maintenance costs due to the reduced wear and tear on engine components.